Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. We're starting off with temps in the 60s this morning. We do have some fog outside, and the fog is widespread. From the Ohio border all the way up through the thumb, we'll have reduced visibility. Now, as we move on throughout the day, we'll focus on breaking up the clouds and getting some sunshine back here to Metro Detroit. Our skies turn partly sunny for the second half of the day. You can see we still have some clouds and fog around early on. Now we're looking at about 9 o'clock, so the morning drive is winding down, and we start to break up some of those clouds. Partly sunny by noon, and a little more sunshine for the second half of the day. Our forecast model wants to paint a shower up by the thumb for this evening. That's going to be hard to find. I think that's a little aggressive here. Look for an improving day with a high temperature near 80 degrees. We'll stay mild overnight with temperatures in the mid-60s, and then Thursday we're looking for partly sunny skies, highs a little warmer near 84 degrees. Now, we are keeping an eye on the tropics. Maria, Category 5 storm, hits the U.S., British Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico this morning and today, with winds up to 160 miles an hour and higher gusts. Then it moves past the island, past the Dominican Republic, could impact the Bahamas before taking a turn to the north. At this point, the storm is expected to stay off the coast of the U.S. However, it is worth watching because you see on that trajectory, if it doesn't keep bending to the north and ultimately northeast, certainly could come awfully close to the U.S. eastern seaboard. Look for a high today near 80 degrees, morning fog, then partly sunny. Winds out of the south-southeast at 5 to 10. Tonight, 65 degrees, mostly clear skies. Looking for a mix of sun and clouds on Thursday with a high near 84. Keeping a chance of perhaps a shower nearby. Don't want to dismiss that, but we lose all rain chances for Friday, high of 85. Look at Saturday and Sunday, beautiful and bright, 86 degrees both weekend days. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith.